Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm sharing 5 amazing AI tools you must know in 2025. These tools can save you time, boost productivity, and even make your work more creative. If you've ever struggled with writing, designing, or generating ideas, these tools will make your life so much easier. We'll cover tools for chat, design, images, video creation, and productivity. I'll show you exactly how to use them, what features are free, and some tips to get the best results. Make sure you watch till the end because the 5th tool is my personal favorite. It's extremely powerful, and yes, it's completely free. Also, I'll share a bonus tip on how to combine these tools to save hours of work every week. Let's get started and dive into the world of AI. The first AI tool I want to share is ChatGPT. ChatGPT is an AI-powered chatbot that can help you write content, answer questions, generate ideas, and even solve problems quickly. Imagine you need to write an email, a blog post, or even a script like this one. ChatGPT can do it in seconds. One of the best things about ChatGPT is its versatility. You can use it for brainstorming ideas, summarizing articles, drafting emails, generating code, or even planning projects. For example, if you're a student, you can ask it to summarize a 1,000-word article into a concise 3-paragraph summary. You'll see how it picks out the key points and organizes them clearly. Let me show you a quick example. I asked ChatGPT to summarize an article about the benefits of meditation. Within seconds, it gave me a well-structured 3-paragraph summary highlighting the mental, physical, and emotional benefits. This saves hours of work compared to doing it manually. .ng. Another great feature is that ChatGPT learns from your prompts. The clearer and more specific your instructions, the better the results. For instance, instead of asking, "Write an article," you can break it down. Write an introduction, 3 key points with examples, and a conclusion. This way, you get content that is well organized and ready to use. ChatGPT is also helpful for coding or technical tasks. Developers can ask it to generate scripts, debug code, or explain programming concepts in simple terms. And even if you're not a tech expert, you can still benefit from its natural language responses for everyday tasks. Of course, there are some things to keep in mind. While ChatGPT is fast and versatile, it sometimes needs fact-checking, and generic prompts may produce less useful answers. So always review the content it generates. Personally, I've used ChatGPT to create content for blogs, social media, and even video scripts like this one. It's amazing how much time it saves while still allowing me to maintain control over the final content. So, in summary, ChatGPT is a beginner-friendly, versatile AI tool that can assist in writing, brainstorming, coding, and research. With clear instructions and some practice, it can become an essential part of your workflow. Give it a try, and you'll see how it transforms the way you work. The second AI tool I want to share is Canva AI. Canva is already a popular platform for creating designs, posters, social media posts, presentations, and much more. What makes Canva AI special is that it uses artificial intelligence to help you generate designs, suggest layouts, and even create captions or content ideas automatically. This means that even if you're not a designer, you can create professional quality visuals quickly and easily. Canva AI is extremely versatile. For example, you can type in a simple prompt like, "Create an Instagram post about productivity tips," and it will generate multiple design options with matching text and colors. You can then tweak the layout, font, or images according to your preference. It's perfect if you're on a tight schedule or want to maintain consistency across multiple designs. Another great feature is the ability to animate elements or turn your designs into short videos. This is particularly useful for social media content where animated visuals often get more engagement. Canva AI also helps with brainstorming captions or writing content for your posts. For example, you can ask it to generate 5 catchy captions for your new product launch, and within seconds, you'll have multiple options to choose from. Here's a quick example. Suppose I want to create a social media post about AI tools. I open Canva, select a template, and let Canva AI suggest colors, text layout, and captions. It instantly gives me several designs, and I can select the one I like, adjust small details like font or icon placement, and I have a polished post ready in minutes. Compared to designing everything manually, this process saves hours of work. Canva AI is also beginner-friendly. Even if you've never designed anything before, you can quickly create professional visuals by following the AI suggestions. It's a learning tool as well. Over time, you'll start understanding design principles just by exploring the AI-generated options. Of course, there are some limitations. While most features are free, some advanced options require Canva Pro. But even with the free version, Canva AI can handle most everyday design needs effectively. In summary, Canva AI is an indispensable tool for anyone looking to create visually appealing content quickly. Whether you're a content creator, social media manager, or student, this AI-powered platform can save you time and help you produce professional quality visuals effortlessly. Give it a try, and you'll see how much easier designing can become with AI assistance. The third AI tool I want to share is Midjourney, or DALL-E. These are powerful AI image generators that turn your text prompts into stunning visuals in seconds. Whether you want realistic photos, cartoons, or abstract art, these tools can create it for you effortlessly. You can use these AI-generated images for blog posts, social media content, presentations, or even creative projects like posters and book covers. One of the key tips for using Midjourney or DALL-E effectively is to be very specific with your prompts. For example, instead of simply asking for a city, try a futuristic city at sunset, with flying cars and neon lights, highly detailed. The more details you include, the closer the result will match your vision. You can also experiment with styles like watercolor, 3D render, or photorealistic, depending on what you need. Let me give you a quick example. I asked Midjourney to create a fantasy landscape with mountains, a glowing river, and a castle in the distance. Within a minute, the AI generated 3 amazing options. Each image was unique, and I could choose the one I liked most or combine elements from multiple images. This demonstrates how creative and flexible these tools are. Midjourney and DALL-E are also great for inspiration. Even if you don't use the images directly, you can generate concepts to spark your own creativity. For instance, if you're a writer or designer, AI-generated images can help you visualize scenes or characters that you wouldn't have imagined otherwise. Of course, there are a few considerations. Sometimes it may take a few attempts to get the perfect image, especially if the prompt is complex or abstract. Additionally, some tools require paid subscriptions for higher resolution or commercial use. But even with free versions, you can create stunning visuals that would have taken hours to design manually. In summary, Midjourney and DALL-E are highly creative AI tools with endless possibilities. From social media posts and marketing materials to personal projects and professional design work, they save time while offering unique and imaginative results. Try experimenting with different prompts and styles, and you'll see how quickly these AI tools can turn your ideas into amazing visuals. The fourth AI tool I want to share is Pictory AI. Pictory AI is a video creation tool that can turn your scripts, blog posts, or even articles into professional-looking videos automatically. This is incredibly useful if you are a content creator, marketer, or educator who wants to save time producing videos without spending hours editing manually. With Pictory AI, you can upload your text content, and the AI will analyze it, divide it into scenes, and suggest relevant visuals. It can even automatically add voiceovers, subtitles, and background music to make your videos more engaging. This means you can go from a written blog post to a complete video in just a few minutes. Imagine the hours you'll save if you regularly create content. One tip for using Pictory effectively is to carefully select which scenes you want to include. You don't always need every paragraph or section from your script. By trimming unnecessary parts and adjusting the timing of each scene, you can create a smooth and professional flowing video. You can also customize visuals by adding images, short clips, or even overlay text to highlight key points. Let me give you an example. I took a blog post about AI tools, uploaded it to Pictory, and within minutes, the AI created a full video. It included visuals that matched the content, added subtitles automatically, and even generated a clear voiceover. All I had to do was review it, make minor edits, and the video was ready to share. This process saves so much time compared to traditional video editing methods. Pictory AI is beginner-friendly and doesn't require technical skills. Whether you are new to video creation or experienced, you can quickly produce videos that look polished and professional. The interface is simple to navigate, and the AI does most of the heavy lifting for you. Of course, there are some limitations. The free plan has restricted customization, and sometimes you may want more control over transitions or visuals. However, for most everyday content needs, Pictory AI handles the work efficiently and effectively. In summary, Pictory AI is a game changer for anyone who wants to create video content quickly. From turning articles into videos to producing social media content, it saves time, simplifies editing, and lets you focus on creativity rather than technical details. If you create videos regularly, this tool is a must-have in your AI toolkit. The fifth and final AI tool I want to share is Notion AI. Notion is a powerful productivity app that helps you manage notes, tasks, and projects all in one place. With its AI features, Notion goes beyond being a simple note-taking app. It can summarize your notes, generate new ideas, create to-do lists, and even help you write emails or reports quickly. Notion AI is perfect for students, professionals, and anyone who wants to stay organized and productive. For example, if you have a long meeting or class notes, you can upload them into Notion AI, and it will summarize the key points in seconds. This way, you save time and ensure you don't miss important information. It's like having a personal assistant that helps you stay on top of everything. Another great use of Notion AI is brainstorming and idea generation. Suppose you're planning a project or creating content. You can ask Notion AI to suggest ideas, outline plans, or even draft initial paragraphs for reports or presentations. This helps you get started faster and provides inspiration you might not have thought of on your own. Let me give you an example. I uploaded my meeting notes from a team discussion, and within seconds, Notion AI summarized all the key points, highlighted action items, and even suggested next steps. This not only saves time, but also makes it easy to follow up and stay organized. You can also integrate AI into your daily workflow by having it generate to-do lists from your notes or provide reminders for upcoming tasks. Of course, there are some learning curves. Advanced features may require a bit of practice to use effectively, but once you get the hang of it, Notion AI becomes an indispensable productivity tool. The free plan offers many useful features, so you can start exploring without any investment. In summary, Notion AI is an extremely versatile AI tool that can boost your productivity and organization. From summarizing notes to generating ideas and managing tasks, it saves time, streamlines your workflow, and ensures you stay on top of everything. If you want to work smarter, Notion AI is definitely a tool you should try. Integrate it into your daily routine, and you'll notice the difference immediately. It's the perfect way to combine AI with productivity to get more done efficiently. And that's it. These were the 5 AI tools you must know in 2025. Which one is your favorite? Comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips and AI guides. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell so you won't miss future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.